This resource is called classroomscreen.com, and the reason why I wanted to share this with you is because I was trying to find a resource to match with classroom procedures. The idea with this is that you project it on your screen, and the tools and features down below are really a way to help my students and myself stay more efficient and consistent with our classroom procedures. So I'll just start with a few features down below. I am constantly saying I would like a voice level 1, please. Instead, now I just choose, and they see this on the screen. If you ever want your features to vanish, you just click the red X below. I use a timer every day with my class, so there it is. Sometimes, it's nice to just have another visual clock present. I thought this cool language. This is available in so many different languages. I think that is really fun. Random name picker, just add your names and then click choose. Very easy to use. Sound level is a cool way to it picks up on the sounds if you allow your microphone to work. Then it picks it up and it kind of just shows the kids if they're getting too loud and too close, it kind of gets a little more red. So it's just a good monitor for the kids to see the voice level and the noise level of the classroom when it's going up. I also like the text feature box. I can add my directions there, and especially right away when they enter the classroom, they don't have to ask me what to do if I'm busy with another student at that time. They can look on the screen and they know what to do. Let's see what else. Before I go much further, I decided that this matches the ISTE standard as an educational leader. 2A, where I can shape and advance, accelerate a shared vision for empowered learning with technology. I also feel like the educational leader goal 2C, where I'm modeling for my colleagues, identifying and exploring an adoption of a new digital resource and tool with you. I find that there is a really cool feature here where you can have an exit poll done either at usually at the end of a class. You can either have your iPad sitting by the door with this, and they can put their votes in on how they felt about the class in general that day. Okay. You also need to go up to the top here if you want to exit from that right there. So I really find this to be a useful and just a real easy way to keep my procedures, like I said, just more consistent with my class. So maybe you will find this to be something you can find useful as well. Thank you.